Today I am reviewing the YAWYORE gaming PC desktop computer AMD Ryzen 5 5600 GT. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to pre-built gaming desktops that deliver great value and strong performance, the YAWYORE gaming PC with the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 GT really stands out as one of the most balanced systems in its category. It's designed for gamers, creators, and professionals who want smooth, reliable computing without having to build from scratch. Let's take a deep dive into what makes this system such a strong performer and why it's a great choice for everyday use, gaming, and creative work. At the heart of this machine is the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 GT processor, a 6-core, 12-thread powerhouse that runs at a base clock of 3.6 GHz and can boost all the way up to 4.6 GHz when you need that extra burst of speed. This processor is built on AMD's Zen 3 architecture, which is known for its efficiency and exceptional multi-threaded performance. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, designing graphics, or just multitasking between dozens of tabs and applications, this CPU handles it all without breaking a sweat. It brings a level of responsiveness and stability that makes the overall experience buttery smooth. Now, for graphics, this model includes integrated AMD Radeon Vega Graphics, which deliver impressive 1080p gaming performance. You can comfortably enjoy most modern games like Fortnite, Apex Legends, Valorant, and GTA 5 at smooth frame rates and decent visual settings. For a system that doesn't even rely on a separate graphics card, the Vega GPU still manages to provide a surprisingly immersive experience. And because it's integrated, power efficiency is excellent, and you don't need to worry about extra heat or fan noise. Memory and storage are equally impressive for a pre-built system in this price range. You get 16 gigabytes of DDR4 memory running at 3,200 MHz. That's fast enough to handle multitasking, streaming, and content creation effortlessly. Pair that with a lightning-fast 1 TB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 solid-state drive, and you'll notice incredibly quick boot times, near-instant application launches, and seamless file transfers. This combination of fast storage and ample RAM ensures that your PC stays responsive even under heavy workloads. The YAWYORE gaming PC is also built around an MSI A520M, a Pro motherboard, a solid and reliable board that supports all the modern connectivity features you'd expect, from high-speed data transfer to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The system includes built-in wireless connectivity, so you can easily connect your peripherals and stream without needing any additional dongles. It's a clean and efficient setup that makes your workspace look professional and clutter-free. Powering the whole system is a 550-watt 80+ bronze certified power supply, ensuring stable and efficient performance even during intense sessions. That means you can game or work for hours without worrying about power drops or overheating. Speaking of cooling, this PC comes equipped with a combination of AMD's reliable air cooling system and 5 large 12cm RGB fans. These fans not only keep the system cool and quiet, but also add an impressive touch of visual flair to your setup. The intelligent temperature control keeps fan noise minimal, while the included remote control lets you customize the lighting and fan effects to match your style or mood. Aesthetically, the YAWYORE gaming PC really shines with its modern sea view room tower design. The tempered glass side panel gives you a clear view of the interior components and lighting, making it an eye-catching centerpiece for any gaming room or office setup. The black case, highlighted by dynamic RGB lighting, strikes a perfect balance between professional and stylish, ideal whether you're gaming or using it as a workstation. This PC doesn't just focus on performance, it also emphasizes convenience and support. YAWYORE includes detailed purchase instructions and reliable customer service. If you face any issues during setup, such as removing protective foam, system activation, or any rare hardware concerns, their support team is quick and responsive. They genuinely want every customer to have a hassle-free experience, which is great to see in a pre-built manufacturer. For gamers, streamers, students, and professionals alike, the YAWYORE gaming PC delivers an exceptional blend of speed, style, and value. You can use it for game design, office work, content creation, or even as a family entertainment PC. It's quiet, efficient, and ready to perform out of the box. Whether you're new to PC gaming or simply looking for a reliable system that can handle your daily tasks and creative projects with ease, this machine ticks all the right boxes. To sum it up, the YAWYORE gaming PC with the Ryzen 5 5600 GT offers everything you'd want in a well-rounded desktop. A strong processor, fast memory, blazing SSD performance, quiet operation, and stunning looks. It's a solid performer built to last, making a perfect choice for anyone looking for a great pre-built computer that's both powerful and practical.